How to fix Fortnite servers not responding. Fortnite servers usually go offline during major updates, especially for new seasons or events. For example, during the launch of Chapter 6 Season 4, Epic Games temporarily shuts servers for maintenance. Server issues can also come from your side, such as slow internet, outdated game files, or device cache. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to status.epicgames.com. Here you want to check if Fortnite servers are down. If it is down, you cannot fix it. You just want to wait until Epic brings them back online. Next thing you want to do is restart your game and device. For that, fully close Fortnite and restart your PC or console. Next thing you want to do is update Fortnite. For that, go to Epic Games Launcher or console and check for updates. If you are playing Fortnite on PC, then you want to close the Epic Games Launcher, then press Win+R. Now type %local app data %/Epic Games Launcher /save/web cache. This will delete everything inside the folder. Restart the launcher and try again. You also want to check your internet connection. You can restart your router or modem. Use a wired connection if possible. If nothing else works, you can reinstall Fortnite and check, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.